back with another haul video. This is all of the goodies that I've been buying from $2 stores here in Australia. So things like what would be at Dollar Tree and those types of situations or places. So I'm going to be showing you what I bought. So first off, I bought these two trims. This is kind of like tulle a little bit, but it's actually like so cool. Look at that. So it's got gold foil over it and it's actually like a mesh netting. So I've got it in silver. This is something, you know, you could use all year round for that one. And then I also got it in a really nice red color, obviously for Christmas, because, you know, it's Christmas here. And if I can get it off, I can show you guys what it looks like. So there you go, and there it is in red. And as you can see, everything is kind of nice and shimmery. These are going to be very cool to kind of lay over, what are they called? Crepe paper rosettes. That's what I'll be using these for. And then also maybe trying to make some shakers. I think that'll be fun. I also got this sort of white, this is a tulle. This is tulle. It's called mesh ribbon, but it's tulle in my head. So as you can see, it's just really nice, a very delicate tulle, and it has some glitter and like really tiny sort of sequins over it. I love, love, love that. And all three of those were, I think, $1.50. So yeah, that was a really good price for here in Australia. I also got some sequins trim. So I got this pink one here. I'm not going to take it out. It's just sequins trim. You guys know what sequins trim looks like. Hang on, I'll take this one off. If I can find the end of it. There it is. So it's just sequins trim. You know. And then I got this nice pink colour here. These were all $1. I got this nice iridescent white, an iridescent silver, and then also an iridescent blue. So all of those were $1. I also got, so that was what I got from one store. Then I went to another $2 store that was down the road, and I got some wooden craft sticks. I'm going to use these to make mini banners. So these were, I don't know, like $2 for a pack of 50. So I got those. I also got this pack of sequins. They call them scatters, but it's just a pack of sequins. It's got some really nice iridescent and clear hearts in this top one. This is actually doves, so I think that's super cool. And then this is some more hearts, and they say the word love on it. So I think this was also $2 for some sequins. I got this pack of mixed shaped, oh gosh, I'm sorry about the light. Can you see that? Some like mixed shape hearts. I also got these resealable bags. This size is, where's my ruler? Here's my ruler. Oh, it actually says it on there. This size is 14.5 centimeters, so it's a square, so 14.5 by 14.5. So just resealable bags for Happy Mail swaps. I also got some rose gold crepe paper. This is so cool. So these come in, they're party streamers, the ones that I buy, and they just come in a pack of 2 like this for like $2, and it's something like 100 meters. So I got it in rose gold, and I also got a gold one, if you can see that. I've been looking for gold for so long, and I'm so glad I finally found it. I also got some massive gold doilies. It's only a pack of 20, but they're 16.5 centimeters or 6.5 inches wide. So I don't store my doilies in the pack like this. I actually just take them out, so they will be going straight into my doily storage. From that same store, I also got some gold glitter cardstock. Glitter cardstock is so expensive, guys. This was $2, and to me that's so expensive. But it's just 2 A4 sheets of gold glitter cardstock. Then from the reject store, I got some glittery tissue paper. This will be for scrapbooking and Happy Mail swaps. So finally, so happy that I was able to find some really nice decorative tissue paper. And then I also got some more cellophane bags. These are 28 centimeters by 12 centimeters. I normally only use about 2 there of it, so I just fold it over, but you can look at my how I package embellishments to see how I use this specific one. And then I also got some tinsel. Now this is $2, and the reason I got it was, if I pop that off and find the edge, where is the edge? Well, as you can see, it's tinsel obviously, but I'm going to use it as like eyelash trim. So that is going to be fun to play with, not just for Christmas, but for a lot of things. I'm going to make a wand tutorial soon, so stay tuned for that. Next from Spotlight, I only got one thing, is these craft blades. So it's actually a scoring blade and a cutting blade, and I haven't even tested to see if they fit in my trimmer yet. I'm going to test that now. These were $1. So my blades, as you can see, are disgusting. So I needed some new blades, but I didn't know where to get them from. So I'm going to try these out, see how they go. I don't think they're going to fit, but oh well. No, they're not going to fit. Oh. Could do some fiddling with them, because I really wanted to try the scoring one, like as you can see. So these are for the American Crafts trimmer, and no, they're not going to fit. Alright, well, might have to get the American Crafts trimmer. Oh well. But like I said, I got them because they were $1, and I thought I could try it for $1 if they would fit. If not, you know, which they didn't, as you can see, but it's fine. I have a couple more spare blades of these, which I will use. So they didn't fit, but that's alright. And the last thing that I bought was this Daily Reflections journal from Aldi. It's got gold foiling on the side of the book, and it's got a little ribbon. If you open it up, it has the date, and it says, today's happy moment, today I'm grateful for, what challenged me, what I learned, goals for tomorrow. And it's just the same thing throughout the whole thing, and you know, you could do this every day, you could do this once a week, and every now and again there is, if I can find one, like little quotes. So there's beauty in everything. There's another one. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be beautiful. You know, just nice quotes. When you feel like quitting, remember why you started. I'm going to use this to document the first year of my teaching, because I just graduated my teaching degree, so this is what I got this for. Let's see if the intention works. I'm not going to hold myself to daily. I think it'll be more weekly, but it'll be nice to look back on this. So I hope you all have enjoyed this really quick haul video. If you did, leave a like down below, and if you want to know anything more about these, just leave me a comment. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye!